Okay, we're going.
Today, my name is Oscar, and today I'm gonna teach you about that one division in the division symbol. This is the division symbol. It almost looks like the root side, but we're not talking about that today. And, well, let me just erase all this stuff so I have more space to write. Let's say we have a problem 1056 divided by 88. Well, first we ask how many 88s will go into 1. None! How many 88? Now we group these two digits together and ask how many 88s go into 10. None! So we have to group the first 3 digits together and ask how many 88s will go into 105 and 1. Why does the 1 go here instead of here? Well, because we had to group the first 3 digits together. And I'm just putting zeros here, even though you don't have to. And then, well, let's subtract 88 from 105, and we get, well, we have to borrow. So, 5, well, or maybe not. Let's add 12 to 88, we get 100. So 15 to 88 will make 105. So this will be, so our remainder will be 15.
Wait. Oh.
And then we bring down a copy of our next digit to combine with the remainder.
I'm not sold on the 15, Oscar.
Why?
Because, I think that if you took 90 away from 105, you'd have 15.
9? Okay, let me erase that stuff. I don't think I've been making any mistakes. 88 plus 12, 100.
Mm-hmm. So
But
12 gets you up to 100.
Then 22.
Well, you use
and
12.
Then we have to add enough, a 5, which would give us 17. And then we carry the 6 down to combine with our remainder, because 88 wouldn't go into 17. And then we ask how many 88s will go in the 176. Well, I'm sure maybe 2 will fit in there. Is 88 plus 88 176, Dad? I'm sure it is.
Yeah, I think you're right, actually. So where do you put your 2?
Probably here.
Yeah.
And then we subtract 176 from 176 and get a remainder of 0. You don't actually need those zeros to the left of your number. And there's probably a 0 in the 10th place.
Yep, might as well.
And then moving on to the next example. 192 divided by 64. Well, how many times will 64 go into 1? None. How many times will 64 go to 19? None. So we have to group the whole number together. And 2 64s is 128. Yet, and 3 64s would equal 192. And we've gotten 0 already. And there would probably be a 0 in the tenths place.
Wow, these are working out really well, Oscar. They always work
Moving
out so
on
nicely.
to our next example. 9 divided by 3. Now, that's pretty easy. Let's just add 3 times. Look. We'll get the same answer if we do this. Probably no, we won't, but this may help because then we'll know that there are 3 3s and 9. 2 3s would be 6. And 3 3s would be 9.
Okay. Now, Oscar, your problems are getting a little easier as time goes on. Are there any like harder ones that don't work out nicely?
Next example, 80 divided by 10. Now, well, 10 times 7, that would be 70. We don't have to put the 7 there, but then we subtract the 70 from 80, we get 10. How many 10s go into 10? 1. And then that would mean we'd have to add 1 to our quotient, which would equal 8. So 8 is the answer to the division problem.
Okay, Oscar. I think we might have to continue this in another video soon.
And next example, 9 to the power of 2 divided by 9. Now, that would be easy. It's just 9.
Okay, let's wrap up here and we'll do another video later. All right, say bye-bye.